students, every time I want that you should get the easiest solution for every number. For this purpose, I have taken a number, that is number 17 from exercise 5.2 class 10 arithmetic progression. And the question is, find the 20th term from the last term of the AP 3, 8, 13 up to 253. So the AP is 3, 10, 13 up to 253. From the last it will be 253. Next the previous term is, see here, 3, 8, 13. How much it is increasing or decreasing? 8 minus 3 is 5. 13 minus 8 is also 5. So the common difference from left to right or from starting is 5. So the previous term of the last term will be 5 less than the last term. What will be it? 253 minus 5 will be 248. Like this. So we can say, writing from the last term, the AP will be 253, next 248, next 243 up to 13, 8 and 3. When we write this AP from the last term, it will be 253, 248, 243 and so on up to 13, 8 and the last term will be 3. So in this case, the first term will be, when we write this AP from the last, the first term A equal to 253, common difference D equal to 248 minus 253, it will be minus 5. 243 minus 248, it will also be minus 5. So the common difference when we write this AP from the last term will be minus 5. Where we have done this? Because we have to find the 20th term from the last term. So we write this AP from the last term, and for this AP we have to find the 20th term. We know that AN equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So for this AP, A20 equal to, value of A is 253 plus 20 minus 1 and D is minus 5. So it will be 253. 20 minus 1 is 19. 19 into minus 5 is minus 95. Now subtract 253 minus 95. 13 minus 5 is 8. Here we have 4. So 14 minus 9 is 5. And here we have 1. So the final answer is, 158 is the 20th term from the last term. So my dear student, write this, and whenever required you can pause this video and must write this. Next question is, the sum of 4th and 8th term of an AP is 24 and the sum of 6th and 10th term is 44. Find first 3 terms of the AP. So for this purpose, let the first term equal to A, and common difference is D. It is given that the sum of 4th and 8th term means A4 plus A8. Sum of 4th term and 8th term is 24. And it is also given that the sum of 6th and 10th term means A6 plus A10 equal to 44. My dear students, mathematics is the easiest subject because we do not require to memorize anything. Everything is given in this question, but we have to memorize every time the formula. The formula to find an is a plus n minus 1 into d. So in place of a4 we can write a plus 4 minus 1 into d. It will be a plus 3d. And a8 is a plus 8 minus 1 into d, that is a plus 7d equals to 24. For this purpose, a6 a plus 6 minus 1 into d, that is a plus 5d, and this is a plus 10 minus 1 into d is a plus 9d equals to 44. So it will be a plus a is 2a, 3a plus 3d plus 7d is 10d, 2a plus 10d equals to 24. Let it be equation 1. And for this one, a plus a is 2a and 5d plus 9d is 14d equals to 44. Let it be equation 2. Now let's subtract equation 1 from equation 2. It will be 2a plus 14d equals to 44. Equation 2 it is. And 2a plus 10d equal to 24. Equation 1 it is. When you subtract equation 1 from equation 2, the symbol of equation 1 will be reversed. So 2a minus 2a is cancelled. 14d minus 10d is 4d equals to 44 minus 24 is 20. So 4d equal to 20, then d equal to 20 by 4 is 5. Now putting the value of d in equation 1 or equation 2. Let's write here. Putting d equal to 5 in equation 1, we will get 2a plus 10d, 10 into, in place of d we will write 5 equal to 24. So this implies that 2a equals to 24 minus 10 into 5 is 50. 50 will be subtracted on the RHS. Minus 50 will be 24 minus 50 minus 26. So this implies that a equal to minus 26 by 2 equal to minus 13. So the first term of this AP, the required AP is minus 13 and the common difference is 5. So the first three terms are, answer is, first three terms are minus 13 plus 5 is minus 8 and minus 8 plus 5 is minus 3. So now we got the answer. For next two numbers, number 19 and 20, we need to find the an using the formula a plus n minus 1 into d. See, the questions are very easy, so I hope my dear student you can be able to solve that. So please don't forget to subscribe, share and like my channel and press on the bell button so that you can get every video that I uploaded. Thank you.